Welcome to today's video. We're going to dive into nested if functions in Excel. I'll give you an explanation of the nested if function, show you an example, gonna do a hands-on experience in Excel, talk about common mistakes and tips, and in the end we're gonna draw a conclusion. Now, let's start with the basics. In Excel, the if function is your decision-making buddy. It evaluates a condition and gives different results based on whether that condition is true or false. For instance, consider grading students. If a student scores greater than 70, they pass, otherwise they fail. Some important key symbols with the nested if functions would be greater than and less than. Those are used for comparing values in logical tests. Another one would be equal to and not equal to. Check for equality or inequality with these ones. Now, let's elevate our understanding with nested if functions. Think of it as asking multiple questions in a row, perfect for handling complex scenarios like grading or a sales performance. The nested if function in Excel needs some kind of values. For our example, we're going to use students and their test scores. If a student has less than 40 points, the test was failed. Above 40 points, the test was passed. With a test score over 60 points, the student will get a distinction. Our students are Tony, Raven, Noah, Jim, Leonard, Nick, Sky, and Gia. Each student has a different test score. You can see that we did a nested if function with Tony's score. You can simply just drag down the function to see if it works correctly. Luckily it did. Enough theory, let's jump into Excel for a live demonstration. I'll create a nested if function guiding you through each step on the screen. The function would be equals if parentheses K5 in our case greater than 60, comma, quotation mark distinction, quotation mark, comma, if parentheses K5 greater than 40, comma, quotation mark pass, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark failed, quotation mark, and a double parentheses. Alright, here's a quick walkthrough on how to make a column chart in Excel using student grade data. The video will show you step by step how to pick the info and create a chart that makes understanding grades super easy. It depends on the situation which graphic you want to use. Sometimes a pie chart would be more interesting. We should also discuss the common pitfalls users might encounter when using nested if functions. We'll provide valuable tips for optimizing these functions, enhancing both readability and efficiency. A common mistake would be the incorrect closing of parentheses. You should also arrange the nested if conditions properly for your expected outcome. You can find useful tips at the bottom of this slide. In summary, while nested if functions may appear complex at first, practice is the key to proficiency. Embrace the opportunity to explore intricate scenarios, and as you do, you sharpen your skills in effectively employing nested if functions in Excel. Remember, mastery comes with hands-on experience. Thanks for watching. See you next time.